Hey everybody, today we'll be showing you how to make a sugar-free pumpkin spice latte, a tooth-friendly version of its sugary counterpart. To start making this, you'll need 8 ounces of freshly brewed coffee with dashes of cinnamon and nutmeg. You will also need half a cup of whole milk, 4 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To start, combine the milk and the pumpkin puree in a saucepan and heat over medium heat. Remove the milk from the heat and add pumpkin pie spice, vanilla, and optional honey. Froth your mixture with a milk frother or a blender. Add your milk mixture to your coffee and top with cinnamon and nutmeg and enjoy.